Hello everyone, welcome to Rasa's classroom. Today I solve this question. It is a Math Olympiad question. In this case, a square minus b square is equal to 9, ab is equal to 3. What is the value of a plus b? So this is the first equation and this is the second equation. Now first equation is a square minus b square equal to 9. Now I can use both sides square, so a square minus b square whole square 9 square. I apply both sides square. Now I can see easily, we know that a minus b whole square equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. I apply this formula in this line, so now I can see easily a square whole square minus 2 square b square plus b square whole square equal to 81. Now I can say a to the power 4 plus b to the power 4 minus 2 into ab square 81. Now I can say a to the power 4 plus b to the power 4 minus 2. We know that ab is equal to 3. Now I can say 3 whole square is equal to 81. Now a to the power 4 plus b to the power 4 minus 3 square is equal to 9. 9 multiplied 2 is equal to 18. So 18 equal to 81. Now I can say a to the power 4 plus b to the power 4 equal to 81 plus 18, and a to the power 4 plus b to the power 4 equal to 81 plus 18 is equal to 99. So I find out a to the power 4 plus b to the power 4 is equal to 99. Now we know that a square plus b square whole square equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. So a is equal to a square and b equal to b square. Now I can see easily a square plus b square whole square equal to a to the power 4 plus b to the power 4 plus 2 into ab whole square. We know a to the power 4 plus b to the power 4 is equal to 99. So I put on this value in this line. So 99 plus 2 ab is equal to 3 whole square. So now I can say a square plus b square whole square equal to 99 plus 18. Now a square plus b square whole square equal to 117. We know that 99 plus 18 is equal to 117. Now I can say a square plus b square equal to root over 117. I apply both sides root over. So now I can say a square plus b square equal to plus minus root over 117 is equal to 9 multiplied 13. So this value is plus minus 3 root over 13. Now I can say easily a square plus b square is equal to plus minus 3 root over 13. Now we know that a plus b whole square equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. And now we know that a square plus b square equal to plus minus 3 root over 13. I put on this value in this line. So plus minus 3 root over 13 and 2 multiply ab is equal to 3. So I put on this value. Now I can see easily 6 plus minus 2 multiply 3 is 6 and plus minus 3 root over 13. So I can see easily a plus b whole square equal to 6 plus minus 3 root over 13. I find out two value in this line, so I can see easily a plus b whole square equal to 6 plus minus 3 root over 13, 6 plus 3 root over 13, and a plus b whole square equal to 6 minus 3 root over 13. So I can see easily a plus b equal to root of plus minus root over 6 plus 3 root over 13. This is the answer, and here is a plus b whole square equal to 6 minus 3 root over 13. So this value is less than 0. I mean this value is minus, so it is rejected. It is a false statement, so it is rejected. This answer is a plus b is equal to plus minus root over 6 plus 3 square root 13. Thank you all. If you enjoy this video, please subscribe my channel. Goodbye.